Namaste everyone. Let's create the Zoom poll. So first go to the meetings, and from the number of meetings you have created, select the meeting that you want the poll for. So now I would like to select this one, and I have to click here instead of edit. I have to click here in order to create the questions for poll or create the poll. So now I'm going to scroll down below, and here I see the option called polls. So let's click create poll. Most of the things are self-explanatory over here. So let's create the poll. So you can write your questions like so if you click here, then you can edit your answers here. So in order to add more questions, you always click add question. So let's add the question number 2. So here, as you can see, it's double one. So go here, and you don't need to write the numbering. It will give the numbering by itself. So the second question, when do you want to participate? Write your answers, click here, morning, evening, anytime. So third question, how do you like today's event? So you can add questions like this. You can add any number of questions. So good, okay, I don't know. So here I made 3 questions. So now you can select if you want it to be single choice or multiple choice from here. So this is a drop down menu here. So if you can select from here if you want to make it single choice or multiple choice. Likewise, if you click this 3 dots, then you can tick mark this option, and this will make the participant's response anonymous to you. So I click this and I click save. So as you can see, the poll is created, but we haven't given the name to our poll. So let's go to the edit from here. With this, if we click this pencil icon, we can edit the poll. So I clicked here and I gave the name to the poll, to this poll, and I click save. So this 3 dots over here is for anonymity. So I click save. So now the poll is created. So if you click 3 dots on the right side of this pencil icon, then you can duplicate the poll like this. So now let's try this on Zoom. Let's launch this poll. So now I would go back to the meeting, and I would like to start this meeting. So this was the meeting that we created the poll for. So now I would like to start this meeting and launch the poll. So the meeting has started. So there is one special guest to participate in the poll. So in order to launch the poll, I click the button poll over here, and then I launch the poll. Click launch. So as you can see, there are 3 questions. So if there are many questions, let's say there are 10 questions, then you have to slide down by clicking the slider button. It's sometimes hidden and sometimes it's visible. So as you can see, the participant has participated. So now I will end the poll. So now I can share the results with the participants by clicking sharing the results. So here is one small trick involved. So let's make it smaller first. Yeah. So if there are 10 questions, let's say, then you can of course slide it down by using the slider, and you might assume that while you scroll down or slide down, then the participants are going to see all the results that you are showing or displaying. But the tricky fact is you have to slide down and the participants have to slide down using the slider in order to see the results of all the questions. So this is the small trick involved here. So now I would like to stop share by clicking stop sharing. And I can even relaunch the poll. So if I click this 3 button or 3 dots, it will give me the option to relaunch the poll. So I relaunched it, as you can see. So let's end it. Likewise, if you click these 3 dots, you can even download the results. And if you have to edit the poll, of course, you can use this feature here, but it will again lead you to the same page, Zoom page, where you can edit the meeting. So it's better that you edit the poll beforehand. So that's all about polling. Of course, there might be many more features that you would want to know, but this is the basics. So you can, of course, explore it by yourself and broaden your knowledge. So I hope it will be useful to you, and thank you for your time. All the best.